Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on voice chat on iPad or iPhone. First of all, you have to open Roblox app, and guys, you just need to tap on three dot over here and just go to in settings and go to in privacy. Here you have to guys make sure that if you have microphone in the privacy or not. If you don't have your microphone, you have to verify your age in the account info, where you have to choose your birthday and just tap on the verify my age, where you have to upload your photo ID, and also it will ask you to upload selfie. Once you are done the verification, you will get a microphone. Here I'll show you. I already got on my other account. So guys, this is my second account, and I'll show you. I already got the microphone in the privacy. I'm not joking. So you can see that I already got this microphone here. So after verifying my age in account info, I got this option in the privacy. So it says that use microphone to chat with voice. Basically, using a microphone, you can use voice chat feature on Roblox. Now you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication. Now guys, once you open the game, any game that supports microphone, just tap on this mic over the other side, tap on it, and you will now you can use your voice chat feature on Roblox. So you can see the variation as I'm talking. So it means Roblox is using your microphone, and yeah, that's how you can use this feature. Hope you like it. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.